Okay, let's have a look at what we've got here. We've already inversed our quick mask selection here. What we're going to do is we're just going to come up here and click on this button here, which is going to add this as a layer mask. Now, as you can see, this is added very lightly, like so, clicking it on and off. But just a little bit of frost on the top, like so. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add some ocean ripples to this. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on our layer mask like so. And let's see, okay on that. Let's go to filter. Let's see where this is at. I think this is going to be distort, like so. Ocean ripple. There we go. And let's say our magnitude. Let's say we'll set this one low. Our ripple size really low, like so. We'll set our magnitude high, like that. We'll hit OK. And it's breaking that up just a little bit. So let's go here and let's do this again. Let's go to filter. We'll just reapply that again, like so. And as you can see, this has already broken it up nice, giving it that little bit of grunge effect onto it, like there, like we've got a little bit of frost. So what we're going to do is we're going to pause right here. We'll pick this up in the next part.